Sketching is the foundational skill for creating precise models in SolidWorks, a leading computer-aided design (CAD) software. Understanding the basics of sketching is essential for anyone looking to harness the full potential of this powerful tool. Starting a sketch. To begin sketching, open a new part file and select a plane to sketch on, typically the front, top, or right plane. The selected plane serves as the canvas for your 2D sketch. Sketch tools. SolidWorks provides a variety of sketch tools accessible from the sketch toolbar. Key tools include Line tool, draw straight lines by clicking to define the start and end points. Rectangle tool, create rectangles by dragging the mouse from one corner to the opposite corner. Circle tool, draw circles by clicking to set the center point and dragging to define the radius. Arc tool, create arcs by specifying the center point and dragging to set the radius and arc length. Spline tool, draw complex, smooth curves by clicking to set control points. Constraints and dimensions. Applying constraints and dimensions ensures that sketches are accurate and fully defined. Constraints control geometric relationships, such as making lines parallel, perpendicular, or equal in length. Dimensions set precise measurements for lengths, angles, and distances. Geometric constraints apply constraints like horizontal, vertical, coincident, and tangent to maintain geometric relationships. Dimensional constraints use the Smart Dimension tool to specify exact sizes and angles. A fully defined sketch will turn from blue to black, indicating all elements are constrained. Editing sketches. Sketches can be edited at any time. Use the Trim and Extend tools to adjust lines and shapes, and the Move and Rotate tools to reposition sketch entities. The Sketch Mirror tool duplicates sketch elements symmetrically, and the Offset Entities tool creates parallel copies of sketch lines. Best practices. Plan your sketch, visualize the final shape and plan the sketch accordingly. Fully define sketches, ensure all sketches are fully constrained to avoid errors in the model. Use simple geometry, start with simple shapes and refine them progressively. Regularly save work. Save sketches frequently to prevent data loss. Mastering these sketching basics in SolidWorks provides a solid foundation for creating complex 3D models, leading to efficient and accurate design workflows.